Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I'm still helping someone on this logo, and he cannot turn it back to black, even if you left click. It doesn't go all the way black, and the reason for that is you've got a break right here between these two nodes still. Kind of straighten that one out. Then you should be able to select it all and left click, and it's going to turn it all black, and then you can right click to get rid of the hairline. Now there's still a few problems. The inside of the R is going to go away, but the inside of the D does not want to go away. It'll take the whole letter out. And I think that's the same thing for the P. So what you could do in those two cases, everything else is working, everything else is fine. What you can do in this case is turn this into no fill in a hairline, and we've actually gotten rid of the D. Let's back up a little bit here. There's the inside. Let's select all of it and left click, right click, left click, right click. See if we can't just delete that. We can't, but we can left click, right click. Then you can always take your smart fill tool and fill in those two letters, but just keep in mind you put a hairline, so you need to select those two and then right click, no outline. Now it's still not cleaned up, like we did. It's not even here to here, but I made another video on how to clean that up, so hopefully he's got that part. And then this looks a little funny, but you can always change it to make it look a little better. And there's still a lot of cleaning up. Now the R, for some reason, does work, but you could have done it just like the fire department. And these words, the text isn't all that good. I would actually pick you a text that's close to that and do text to path and just retype that out. So that's how you would do it, because you really can't. Well, this one's been fixed, but you could use the Smart Fill tool on the whole thing and then just go in and fill in these parts. I like using the Smart Fill tool. It's pretty cool, pretty fast, and you can get it done this fast, and you're doing the same thing. And then you just always remember to select it all and then right click, no outline. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.